Hello friends, I'm Hesan from ebangaloreproperty.com. Today I'm going to show you very premium 4 BHK independent floor condo available for sale located in Rajarajeshwari Nagar. Very posh locality. It's a new project. Finishing work is going on now. Built on 50 by 47 corner plot, Ek Hata plot. BBMP approved project with Ek Hata for the land as well as apartment. Ground floor parking. Each flat will get 2 car parking. 2248 square feet of super built up area. Later in the video I will show you the floor plan, specifications, amenities. So please watch complete video for all the details. So this is a common staircase, central lift, each floor just one apartment, north facing entrance. So this is right side lift, private lobby, north facing main door, UPVC 3-track windows will be provided. So this is main door in the northeast corner, completely Italian marble flooring. Final finishing is yet to be done. Another 2 months of work is pending now. Spacious hall, dining. This is puja room, east and west orientation. The plot itself is north and west corner plot. Wide 50 feet tar road on one side, another side 40 feet tar road. So complete wall cladding has been done for the puja room. Solid teakwood door will be fitted. This is dining space, hand wash basin will be fitted. Kitchen is in the southeast corner. Next to kitchen, utility. Wall tiles and granite platform will be provided. 100% power backup is there for the common areas, lift and staircase area. Inside the apartment, UPS point is there. CCTV camera, security room will be there in the ground floor. So this is first bedroom. Spacious bedroom. I have included the floor plan for your reference. Later you can see the room measurements in the plan. This is the second bedroom with the balcony and bathroom. 3 rooms are roadside facing as it is a corner plot. Premium quality bathroom fittings will be provided. Jaguar and Hinware brand. This is a balcony. Stainless steel and glass railing will be there. Anti-skid flooring in the balcony area. This is common bathroom. And this is the master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached bathroom. .449 square feet of UDS, undivided land share. Single floor, single apartment. Corner flats. Totally 5 houses in this project. Basement parking. Above ground, first, second, third floor. This is the 4th bedroom. Large room. So this is the floor plan. Typical floor plan. 4 flats are all identical. Living 20 by 19. The last room you saw is 8.3 by 20.3. 11.3 by 18.3 with attached bathroom with a balcony. That is the second room you saw. Common toilet 7 by 5, attached bathroom 5 by 8. Totally 3 bathrooms in the apartment. 2 attached, 1 common. Master bedroom is 15 by 15 and a half. Kitchen with utility. And bedroom 1 that is 11 by 15 and a half feet. These are the specifications: structure, painting, electrical, flooring, kitchen and doors information. Common amenities: Kaveri water as well as borewell water, power backup for all the common areas, 6-passenger automatic lift, security, car parking. All other details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.